Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to use a vacuum cleaner. I know how to use a vacuum cleaner, but I haven't got one right now, so I can't really show you or explain it. I'd love to have one though. If you're a vacuum cleaner manufacturer, a person or company who builds and sells vacuum cleaners, please send me one for free. Send me one through the mail and I will use it. In fact, if you're a manufacturer of any sort of valuable goods, please send them to me for free and I will either keep them or sell them so I can have money to buy things I want and or need. And that's how this works, baby. Get used to it. Buckle up and hold on tight. Send me free stuff all day long and that's all you need to do. Send me free items or free food or free money. Those are the three things I want right now. Items, food, and money. Send them now, please, now.